Step 1. Create a Flutter project. Open your terminal and type Flutter create my app, cd my app. This create a new Flutter project and opens the folder. Step 2. Add image. Create a folder named asset image and place your image inside. Step 3. Display image. Use this widget to show an image. Step 4. Add buttons. Step 5. Button click event. Handle button click using onPress. Step 6. Counter app. Stateful widget. This example show how to update UI dynamically. Step 7. Conditional display. Display text based on condition. Step 8. Display list using a loop. Step 9. Custom widget. Create reusable UI components. Step 10. Add parameters. Pass data into a widget. Step 11. Combine widgets using column to organize layout. Step 12. Separate files. Create a new files my card Dart and import into a main Dart. Final step, run the app.